Blue Dot. Cultivating Love for Learning.
Chapter 2. Microorganisms Friend and Foe. Overview. The organisms that cannot be seen by naked eye are called microorganisms or microbes. The study of these organisms is called microbiology, and the person who studies microbiology is called microbiologist. Microorganisms are classified into 5 distinct categories: bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae, and viruses. Microbes are omnipresent. Let's get started. Identify the microbes and write their names. Microbes. Organisms that cannot be seen by naked eye are called microbes. The branch of biology dealing with the study of microbes is called microbiology. The person who studies and practically applies microbiology is called as a microbiologist. Characteristic features of microorganisms. 1. Microbes are omnipresent. They are present throughout in the environment. They are found on the rocks, in the air and within, and on the water surface too. 2. Growth and reproduction. Microbes grow and reproduce in the similar manner as other living beings do. 3. Size. Microbes are of very tiny size which you can see only if you use a microscope. 4. Habitat. Microbes can belong to a variety of habitats as hot springs, salty lakes, fresh water, rocky surface, air, etc. Microscope. Microorganisms can be seen and studied using an instrument called microscope. Laboratories generally use simple and compound microscopes. In institutions involved in research, electron microscopes are used. Figure shows the different parts of a compound microscope. Microscopes have a combination of lenses that are placed in such a manner that it can produce high-resolution images. Thus, not only do they magnify minute objects allowing us to see them clearly, but they also have the power of resolution that allows us to see closely placed parts separately. The lens that we see through is called the eyepiece or ocular lens. The lenses mounted on the revolving nosepiece are called objective lenses. The extent of magnification and resolution depends on the power of the lenses used. Fact to know. Microorganisms form a hard outer coating, called cyst. It protects them from harsh environmental conditions. Microbial classification. Microorganisms are divided into 5 major categories. 1. Bacteria. 2. Fungi. 3. Protozoa. 4. Algae. 5. Viruses. 1. Bacteria, singular, bacterium. Bacteria are unicellular prokaryotes. A. Habitat. They are found in air, water and soil, or we can say that they are omnipresent. Fact to know. DNA was first discovered by Swiss Friedrich Michels in 1869. B. Size. Size of bacteria ranges from 15 mm to 5 mm. 1 mm is equal to 10 to 3 mm. C. Shape. Bacteria can be of different shapes. 1. Rod-shaped bacilli. They are of the shape of a rod. E.g. Lactobacillus, Pseudomonas, etc. 2. Oval or spherical shaped bacilli. Spherical shaped bacilli are called cocci. Sing. Coccus. For example, Streptococcus, Sarracenia and Micrococcus. 3. Spiral or comma-shaped bacilli. Comma-shaped bacilli are called spirilla. For example, Campylobacter and Treponema. D. Structure. Bacteria are unicellular. Bacterial cells enclosed by a lipid membrane or cell membrane. Outside the membrane, there is a protective covering called cell wall. Bacterial cells consist of genetic material that is not bounded by a nuclear membrane. A bacillus thus lacks a true nucleus, mitochondria and other cell organelles. Locomotory organ of a bacterium are flagella. Fact to know. The largest organism on earth is fungus. E. Types of bacteria. Bacteria can be classified on the basis of chemical composition of their cell wall. 1 gram-positive bacteria. The cell wall of gram-positive bacteria is thick. It is made up of many layers of peptidoglycan chains and teichoic acids. 2. Gram-negative bacteria. The cell wall of gram-negative bacteria is thin. It is made up of a few layers of peptidoglycan surrounded by a lipid membrane composed of lipopolysaccharide and lipoproteins. F. Nutrition. Bacteria can be autotrophic or heterotrophic. They are mostly saprophytes, i.e., they feed on dead and decaying matter, but some can be parasites. That is, they obtain nutrition from host organism in which they reside. G. Reproduction. As already read in class 7, bacteria show both sexual and asexual reproduction. But division by binary fission is one of the common methods. Binary fission. Enlargement of a bacterial cell is followed by division of nucleus, followed by division of parent cell into two daughter cells. Bacteria are a friend. A. Fermentation. Curding of milk is achieved with the help of a bacteria called lactobacillus. Wine, vinegar, beer, etc. all are manufactured by the action of bacteria on the corresponding substrate. Cheese, yogurt and butter are all produced by fermentation. Fact to know. More germs are transferred while shaking hands than while kissing. B. Digestion of food. Bacteria help in the digestion of cellulose in ruminants, for example, cows and buffaloes. C. Nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen-fixing bacteria live in the nodules of leguminous plants. They convert atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates and thus make them available for plants. Examples of nitrogen-fixing bacteria include Rhizobium. D. Maintenance of fertility of soil. Bacteria are decomposers. They decay dead remains of living beings and adapt the decomposed matter to the soil, thus maintaining its fertility. E. Medicinal application. Bacteria or their products that inhibit the growth of other microbes or kill them are called antibiotics. Thus, antibiotics can be used for the treatment of microbial diseases. Examples of antibiotics include streptomycin and gramicidin. F. Industrial uses. Bacteria are useful in tobacco, leather and jute industries. Tanning is done with the help of bacteria. In the jute industry, jute plants are submerged in water, where bacterial action separates the fibers from rest of the tissues. Bacteria as a foe. A. Bacterial diseases. Bacteria can cause diseases. Some of the examples of bacterial diseases are as follows. 1. Tuberculosis, caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. 2. Cholera, caused by Vibrio cholerae. 3. Typhoid, caused by Salmonella typhi. Diseases caused by bacteria. Table gives some bacterial diseases, the causative bacteria and the host. Disease bacteria host. Cholera Vibrio cholerae human beings. Typhoid Salmonella typhi human beings. Gastric ulcer Helicobacter pylori human beings. Tetanus Clostridium tetani human beings. Tuberculosis Mycobacterium tuberculosis human beings. Leprosy Mycobacterium leprae human beings. Anthrax Bacillus anthracis ruminants. Crown gall Agrobacterium tumefaciens plants. Blight disease Xanthomonas oryzae rice plant. Leaf spot disease Pseudomonas tomato plant. Citrus canker Xanthomonas axonopodus lemon tree, orange tree. Some bacterial diseases in plants are shown in figure. B. Spoilage of food. Bacteria act on food and produce toxic substances that, in turn, spoil the food. 2. Viruses. singular virus, the term virus implies poison. They are the smallest organisms and can be seen only with the help of electron microscope. They form an important link between living and non-living entities. Study of viruses is called virology. A. Habitat. Viruses are also omnipresent. They are the most abundant type of biological organisms. B. Size. Viruses are the smallest organisms present on Earth. An average virus is of 1/100th of size of bacterium. C. Shape. Viruses can be spherical, rod-shaped, cuboidal or polygonal shape. D. Structure. Virus is a small infectious agent. It can replicate only inside the body of a living organism. Virus or a virion consists of single-stranded DNA or RNA as a genetic material that is, in turn, is surrounded by a protein coat. Protein coat and the genetic material together form the head of virion and the tail comprises of a hollow core surrounded by a protective sheath. E. Nutrition. Virus depends on its host for nutrition. Its mode of nutrition is thus parasitic. F. Reproduction. Virus like bacteriophage reproduces either by a lytic or a lysogenic life cycle. Fact to know. Viruses are not really alive. Viruses operate on the border of life and non-life. Virus as a friend. Viruses usually are not useful for human as such, but they can be used in research for new medications by exploring the upcoming science of biology called biotechnology. Virus as a foe. Viruses cause a large number of diseases in human beings. Some of the diseases are enlisted here. A. Poliomyelitis. B. Measles. C. Acquired immunodeficiency disease syndrome, AIDS, caused by human immunodeficiency virus, that is, HIV. 3. Fungi. Singular fungus. Fungi are a member of eukaryotic organisms that include yeasts and molds. Study of fungi is called mycology. A. Habitat. Fungi are generally present at the moist and damp surfaces. B. Size. Size of fungi ranges somewhere between 5 to 50 millimeters. C. Shape. Fungi can be of several different shapes. Example, a conical-shaped fungus, convex-shaped, flattened, funnel-like, umbilicat or bell-like. D. Structure. Fungi are unicellular or multicellular. They are enclosed by a cell wall made up of cellulose, but they lack chlorophyll photosynthetic pigment. Unicellular fungi, yeast, live in colonies. Yeast can be stored in form of tablets or powder. Molds are multicellular. An example of a mold is mushroom. Small molds can be seen on a stale bread piece or on a rotten fruit. Fact to know. The first antibiotic was discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1928. A. Nutrition. Mode of nutrition of fungi is either saprophytic or parasitic. Molds obtain the nutrition from the substance on which they grow. F. Reproduction. Fungi reproduce by bud formation as well as by spore formation. Fungi as a friend. A. Recycling. Fungi can recycle the dead and decaying components of the environment, thus returning the essential minerals to the soil. B. Antibiotic production. Fungi like Penicillium are used for the production of antibiotic called penicillin. C. Edible fungi. Fungi can also be used as human food. For example, mushrooms which are cooked and eaten up. Beside this, fungi can also be used for production of cheese, cake, etc. Fungi as foe. A. Fungal diseases. fungi can cause animal and crop diseases. Ringworm infection can cause athletes' foot disease in human beings. B. Fungi can cause food spoilage. 4. Protozoa, singular, protozoan, they are unicellular. They may be aerobic or anaerobic. The word protozoa means is equal to protos, that is, primitive, and zoans, that is, animals. A. Habitat, protozoa are found in water and soil. They can be parasitic, as in human intestine and animal rumen, or they can be free-floating. Free-floating forms of protozoa are called zooplanktons. B. Size and shape, protozoa are the eukaryotic organisms. Size of protozoa ranges between 10 to 50 to micrometer. Since protozoa lack the cell wall, they can take up a number of shapes. Examples of protozoa include amoeba, euglena, trypanosoma, leishmania, etc. C. Structure. Protozoa are eukaryotes, as already mentioned, so they possess a structure typical of eukaryotes. Protozoan cell is bound by a cell membrane and their nucleus is enclosed by a nuclear membrane. Cell organelles like vacuoles, etc. are present in cell cytoplasm. Protozoans move with the help of cilia, flagella, or pseudopodia. D. Nutrition. Protozoans are either parasitic or saprozoic. Euglena is an exception, it is autotrophic. E. Reproduction. Protozoans reproduce by 1. Binary fission, 2. Spore formation, 3. Budding. Fact to know. There are 60,000 miles of blood vessels in the human body. Protozoans as friend. 1. They maintain the fertility of soil. 2. They enhance the plant growth by making ammonia and phosphates available to them. 3. They help in digestion of cellulose. 4. They are also effective in waste treatment as they feed on fungi and bacteria. Protozoa as a foe. Protozoans cause a number of animal and human diseases. For example, malaria is caused by Plasmodium and giardiasis is caused by Giardia. 5. Algae, singular, alga. The study of algae is called phycology. The term alga means seaweeds. Algae are actually the plants with a cell wall and chlorophyll pigment in their cells. They make their own food. They have no roots, stem, or leaves. A. Habitat. Algae are basically aquatic but terrestrial, found on land, cryophytic, present on ice and snow, and parasitic algae are also found in nature. B. Structure. As already told, algae do not have true differentiation into root, stem, or leaves, and they may be multicellular or unicellular. They may or may not possess flagella. Example of unicellular alga Chlamydomonas and that of multicellular alga, Volvox. Flagellated algae include Chlamydomonas. Tetraspore and non-flagellated include Spirogyra. C. Size and shape. Algae can range in size from tiny microscopic form to giant algae such as kelp. Several different shapes of algae are as depicted in the figure, rod-like, spiral, club-shaped, etc. D. Nutrition. Algae prepare their own food with the help of chlorophyll, water and sunlight. Thus, they are autotrophic in nature. E. Reproduction. Algae can reproduce both by sexual and asexual method. Asexual reproduction in algae is shown by the process of binary fission or spore formation. Fact to know. A protozoan can eat, grow, reproduce, and get rid of wastes. Protozoa are found in the aquatic environment. Algae as a friend. 1. They are a rich source of minerals. Some of the algae are the richest source of copper. 2. Algae can be eaten directly as food. Example, Spirogyra is consumed in South India. 3. Agar is one of the most important substances obtained from red algae. 4. Agar is an important ingredient of microbial food used in the laboratories. Algae as a foe. 1. Eutrophication, that is, growth of algae over the water body can block the sun rays from reaching the plants and animals that live underwater. Thus, it can lead to their death in deficiency of resources. 2. Some algae forms also release toxins that are hazardous to other life forms. Degradation. Degradation is the process of breakdown of complex materials into simple molecules. Materials that can undergo physical and chemical degradation are called biodegradable materials. These form simpler molecules by the action of microorganisms like bacteria and fungi. Organic matter or the dead remains of plant and animals undergo decomposition to form simpler components. The physical and chemical breakdown is brought about by bacteria and saprophytes. This process of degradation by microorganisms is also a part of the nitrogen cycle in which nitrogen is released by the decomposition of organic matter and is then used by plants as a nutrient. Imagine what would happen if these microorganisms did not act upon the dead remains. The whole earth would be filled with dead and waste materials. Observation skill. Activity 3. Aim: to study the process of decomposition of organic substances by microorganisms. Material required: a pot of soil, some fruit peels, small pieces of newspaper, a small polythene cover, a piece of cotton cloth, a few pieces of glass bangles, a thermometer, a hand lens and water. Procedure: 1. Place the soil on a large sheet of newspaper. 2. Observe and record the color and texture of the fruit peels, pieces of newspaper, polythene cover, pieces of cotton cloth and bangle pieces. 3. Using a small hand shovel, mix the fruit peels, pieces of newspaper, polythene cover, pieces of cotton cloth and bangle pieces into the soil. Do not mix it with your hand as the glass pieces may hurt you. Put them all inside the pot. 4. Sprinkle a little water on the soil mixture to make it moist. Do this every day for at least 60 days. 5. Make sure that you do not make the soil soggy soft. 6. Measure the temperature of the soil once a week. 7. Observe and record the changes, if any, in the fruit peels, pieces of newspaper, polythene cover, pieces of cotton cloth and bangle pieces. Do this once a week. Food preservation. It is a process of treatment of food so as to slow down the food spoilage by bacteria, fungi, and other microbes. Requirement of food preservation. As we know, microorganisms are omnipresent. They can spoil our food and thus can lead to various food and water-borne diseases. To prevent these diseases, proper preservation of food and purification of water is desired as well as required. Methods of food preservation. A. Drying. Drying aims at reduction of water content. As moisture is a very favorable agent to promote microbial growth, so its reduction automatically suppresses microbial growth and activity. Low temperature. Metabolic activities are retarded at low temperature, as a result of which growth and reproduction of microbes is retarded and enzymatic activities are also reduced. Temperature can be reduced by storage of food items in either of the following: refrigerator 40-70 degrees Celsius, cold storage 10 to 40 degrees Celsius, freezer, greater than 0 degrees Celsius. C. High temperature. As all the living organisms have the sustainable temperature, so do microbes. If temperature is raised above the suitable temperature that they can sustain, they will be killed and destroyed. But all microbes have different sustainability temperature. So, we target a broader range and some of the microbes are always left behind. They may cause food spoilage when the temperature is lowered down to the normal. Methods used for increasing temperature include pasteurization. It is a process in which the food material is heated to a very high temperature, followed by its cooling down after a particular predefined time duration. Pasteurized milk packets are often heard of by all of us. Sterilization. It is process of heating the food material at a very high pressure so as to make it free of microbes and their spores. Fact to know. Food preservation is able to extend longer shelf of the food. D. Addition of preservatives. Preservative is any substance which is added to an edible substance so as to prevent its microbial decomposition. Preservatives can be of two types. Natural preservatives. Those preservatives that are present in nature are called natural preservatives, for example, oil, vinegar, lemon juice, etc. Synthetic preservatives. Those preservatives that are synthesized artificially are called synthetic preservatives, for example, citric acid, sodium benzoate, etc. Scientific words. Microorganisms. Microbes. Organisms that are visible only through a microscope are called microorganisms or microbes. Fermentation. The process of conversion of a sugar into an acid or an alcohol by the action of microorganisms is called fermentation. Pathogens. Microorganisms that cause diseases in human beings, animals, and plants are called pathogens. Communicable diseases. Diseases that can spread from one person to another are called communicable diseases. Food preservation. The process of treating and handling food with an aim to stop or slow down its spoilage while maintaining its nutritional value, texture, and flavor is called food preservation. Pasteurization. The food preservation method that involves heating a foodstuff to a high temperature and then cooling it rapidly is called pasteurization. Quick recap. Organisms that can't be visualized by naked eye are called microbes. Study of microbes is called microbiology. Microbes are of 5 types: bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae, and viruses. Bacteria are unicellular prokaryotes. Viruses are the smallest organisms and form a link between living and non-living organisms. Fungi are eukaryotic organisms with several different shapes. Study of fungi is called mycology. Protozoans are primitive organisms. They may be parasitic or free-floating. Algae are seaweeds. Algae are plant-like organisms. Food preservation is a process of food treatment so as to slow down food spoilage by microbes.
Like, share, subscribe.